Hello, welcome to the IBM Cloud App Management series. My name is Mark Leftwich and I work for IBM's SWAT Best Practice team. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Docker from the IBM Passport Advantage site. To install ICAM, you need a container platform to install it into, either IBM Cloud Private or Red Hat OpenShift. I'm going to show you today the required version of Docker needed for IBM Cloud Private. At the making of this video, the current version of ICP is 3.2.1. I'm showing you on screen here the different versions of Docker that you can download, and most importantly the Passport Advantage number, which you can search for on the right hand side of this table. Once you have identified the correct version of Docker for your operating system, you need to download the Docker file to the boot node. In this case, I don't have a boot node, so I'm using my master node as the boot node. As you can see from my terminal window, I've downloaded the version of Docker that comes with ICP on Passport Advantage. It's version 18.9.7. The first thing we need to do is make the file executable with the following command, which I'll paste on screen. Once that is done, there's one simple command to install Docker, which again I'll paste to screen. You will then see the archive extracting and installing Docker. You will see Docker install, configure and restart the service. You can ensure the Docker engine has started by running the following command, which I'll also place on screen. And then you can use this command to check on the status of Docker. As you can see from the bottom few lines there, the Docker application container engine has started. Thank you for watching this video on IBM Cloud App Management. Be sure to check out all the other videos in the series.